It's been a week since I started my new job as a digital marketing strategist for Teraflow, a global AI startup. Teraflow is a niche AI professional services business with a data and machine learning engineering focus that helps our customers make their AI work for them. It's just been a whirlwind week. I knew it was going to be something special from the process, which took 2 months to be recruited. Along the way, every touch point was just like so positive, so healthy. I knew it was going to be good, but I was just so nervous. And the first week of just confirmed and actually exceeded my expectations in terms of healthy culture. And why I'm making this video is I got a package. Nice swag package. So thanks, Kirsty, you're the best. It's not easy shipping stuff to the Canaries, but let's go ahead and open it. It's progress. Oh baby. T-shirt. Notepad. Water bottle. The famous Fatbot hoodie. This is so cool. So let me pop that on. Teraflow. We make AI work.